Hi, this is Chris Weckner with a free marketing tip. Today's marketing tip: keywords are important. Why are keywords important? So, we're already on Google, so let's take a look within it. When you type something into the search engine, how does Google know what to list? The answer is simple, sort of. The words within the website that Google lists on page 1 are probably going to match pretty closely with the words that are typed within the search phrase. For example, let's go ahead in this box here and type internet marketing. Enter. And let's look at the first several list results. These in the pink area, those are the sponsored. People paid to be up there. We're looking at the free organic results. So we've got Internet Marketing, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Got internetmarketing.com. We have internetmarketinginc.com, so forth. So do those look like they're probably going to be a pretty good match for someone typing in the phrase internet marketing? So if you typed in that phrase, does it look like those first few sites listed might answer the questions you have about internet marketing? What if the top responses were about things like hamburgers, or women's clothing, or even New York City attractions? Those are all great topics, but those results would really disappoint somebody trying to research something about internet marketing. So how does someone know, how does Google know what to list? Can Google really read your mind as you're typing in a search phrase? Let's take a closer look at these sites. Notice on each of them, the website title includes a phrase, internet marketing. And the domain name, the URL, here looks like Internet Marketing is a page within Wikipedia and the page is called Internet Marketing. Here, Internet Marketing is literally the name of the website. Internet Marketing Inc., Internet Marketing is certainly a major part of the domain. We do have an exception here with prosperly.com. Then it returns Internet Marketing Speed, so forth. So we've got the titles and the URL, except for that Prosperly. Let's go ahead and open one of these pages. We'll begin with the top free organic result. I'm going to go ahead and do a search. Control F. Up, it's still loading. Internet marketing. I'm going to highlight all. Look at that. Look at all these pink areas where it says, and that's where it says internet marketing throughout the page. So you think this website might answer some questions about internet marketing? Let's go back. And even let's check out Prosperly. I mean, that's the one that, how does it know it's about internet marketing? Well, the title says it, but let's go ahead and take a look. Do highlight all. Sure enough, title, first paragraph. Looks like it's got quite a bit about internet marketing in there, especially in the top portion where people are most likely to look. So why did Google not return anything about hamburgers? Because sites that discuss hamburgers probably have nothing to do with the search phrase we typed, which is internet marketing, unless we happen to talk about internet marketing for hamburgers. So to summarize, what do you think your website should have? Your website should have the keyword in the title of the website, the domain URL, and it should be littered throughout the text within the website. So are keywords important? Yes, absolutely. So that's your free marketing tip for today. I'm Chris Weckner, and if you want more tips, visit my website at www.chrisweckner.com. That's CHRISWECH and as in Nancy, ER.com. Thanks for listening.